Stop by and take a look at the 2022 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, power door locks, power windows, power steering, power driver's seat, rear defrost. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.